is Shay and welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. So on my channel I talk about nursing, beauty, fashion, just a variety of a lot of things on my channel. Hair. So if you guys are new, please, you guys want to see what I have to offer, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And for all my subscribers that's coming back to check me out, welcome. Okay, so today on my channel I'm going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial for nurses. So it's right here in California. It's morning. I'm so excited, you guys. Let me just say one thing. Today I literally worked out. This is my second day of working out. I'm just trying to become a better person, so I'm excited about that. Anyway, so I had to say that. So anyway, it's morning time. I'm getting ready for work. I was like, damn, let me just do a quick little makeup tutorial just to show you guys what I do in the morning. It's really simple. Most of the products that I'm using is from the drugstore. It's like really cheap. Like the most expensive thing that I'm using is what, like from the drugstore, is what, like $11.99 I believe, and that's without a coupon. So if you guys want to see my quick makeup tutorial, just stay tuned and check me out. Okay, so first off, let me just clip my hair back a little bit on my face. Yeah, so let me just put a little bit of, so usually for me to literally like do my makeup, you guys, it usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes at the most, because I don't really do that much. But bear with me today because remember I'm holding this, okay? And plus it's going to take a little bit longer, of course, because I'm going to be talking through the video. So the first product that I use, remember, oh, let me just tell you this, I did already, my face is already washed. If you guys seen my other video that I did on my facial routine, which I will recommend that you guys check it out. If you guys suffer from acne or anything like that, I would suggest that you check out one of my older videos, and I will put the link down below. So anyway, I already washed my face, and I already put this lotion on here by Shea Moisture. I love this, and I always put that on there before I put on any type of makeup. I just put it on every single day. So, and the foundation that I'm going to be using is this right here, is by Maybelline. It's a Super Stay Full Coverage. So, and I have this color in 360. It's mocha. So what I do is I just put literally once, well, a little, that much. That's all I put, and that might be a little bit too much, but whatever. I have my brush. Excuse me, my brush is a little bit dirty. I got this brush right here from, I believe this is Real Techniques. So what I do is I just take the makeup and just dab it on my face. As you can see, I do have a couple of dark spots on my face. So really, I don't really wear makeup to hide all my imperfections. You know how some people be like, I want my face beat, this and that. I don't, that's not me. I just want a fresh look, a smooth surface, and that's all that matters to me. I do not, for some reason, when I put on too much makeup, I get so hot, and it's like I just can't do it. So I just put those little dabs on my face, and I literally go like this. This is literally, make sure that I always put it around my eyes, and I just dab it on. See, this makeup is I only put a little bit, but it really goes a long ways. It's all I literally put on my face. And then after I do that, I take this right here. The Age Rewind is by Maybelline as well, and this is in the color Hazelnut. I take that and I just put that under my eyes right here. Mind you, I'll probably do a better job if I didn't have to hold anything. So, and I take this brush right here. It's from e.l.f. It's some type of foundation. It's the pointed foundation brush. I take this. It's about like $4, I believe, at Target. So I take this and I just go like this under my eyes. I do not use powder because I don't put on a lot of makeup, and to me powder gives like I don't like the finish that powder gives. For me, I like a more natural look, so I do not put powder on. And with this little bit of makeup that I put on, I notice that I do not get real oily, and if I do, I just tap my face, but it's rare that I get oily, and I do have oily skin, but I do not put powder on top of my skin. I just don't do it. So I put this under my eyes. Make sure you blend it in very good. And if you kind of nervous because you don't know if you blended it in that well, you just take your foundation brush and just go over it under there, you know, to get rid of the demarcation or the line. Just go like this if you're nervous, but it's actually blended in already. And that's it with my foundation. That's all I do for my foundation. And then for my eyebrows, I use this brush. I just use any, let me get this on my way again. I use any brush or whatever, eyebrow brush. So I just take my eyebrows. These are my eyebrows right here. I just take them. Oh, bear with me this time because, okay, so this is where I get a little price concealer because I use MAC. And I use MAC in NC45. I use this MAC right here for my eyebrows. I always have. And I got this brush right here. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is literally $1 brush. So before I even fill in my eyebrows, I take the concealer. I just dab a little bit. Not that much. Well, whatever. So, and I take it just like this, and then I outline my eyebrows where I want it to be. I'll do the same on the other one. You might have to put a little bit more concealer on your brush again, just in case. Like I need a little bit more concealer. Put it like that. And then I also take a little bit at the top, because remember, it does not matter, because what you're going to do, you're going to brush it out anyway. And I do this because I set my shape of my eyebrows. I think if you do your eyebrows, well, before I used to do it the opposite. I used to fill them in, and then I used to use my concealer. But to me, this way is a little bit more natural look. I got it from somebody, I forgot, but for me it works, and this is what I like. So I'll take, this is some cheap brush, I do not know, it's an eyeshadow brush. So I take this because to me I like it better. I take this and I just brush out my concealer. Do the same with the other eye. And again, just because the only reason why it seems like it's taking a while to do this, only because I'm talking, but actually in reality when I do it, it's long when I do it without the video. And for my eyebrows to fill them in, I use the NYX, the Tame and Frame, and I use the color Espresso. And I just take a tiny bit, and this is a pencil for Wet n Wild, a little brush. It was like an eyeliner brush, and it's only $1 again. I just take a very little bit, not even a lot, and then I just fill in the spots like this. Just go under it. Really, when I be doing it when I'm at home, when I'm like getting ready, please, I'll be just speeding. And then I just fill them in a little bit. Because my eyebrows are already thick, I just have a couple of little gaps here and there. That's it for that brow. And then this brow, I do the same thing, a tiny bit. I was spending a lot of money on eyebrow, like little things to fill in my eyebrows. I said it'd be like $20. I was getting benefit all the time, and it wasn't lasting that long. I said, I'm not about to spend all this money and it does not last. I'll just get something inexpensive, because it's not like I don't know. I don't have time to be spending a gang of money on stuff like that, but to each his own. I remember back in the days I used to love to spend money on things like that. Now I'm like, And that's it. That's it for my eyebrows. And then I just take any type of brown eyeshadow, it does not matter, and I just put it over my eyebrows just to set them. Just to, you know. And my eyebrows stay for the whole day. My eyebrows and my makeup last the whole day. That's all I do. And then I just take, just for a little glow, I use this. It's from Black Radiance. It's in Ginger Snap, just to give me a little just a little highlight. I always brush that on my face. And this is a Real Technique brush as well. I don't know what kind of brush this is, I'm sorry. Oh, it's a contour brush. I just take a very little bit. I think I rubbed it in a little bit too much, and I just take a little bit right here. And I take mine around like that. And then I put a little bit on my nose. I do not dip it in there anymore. Whatever is on the brush, that's all that's gonna go on my face. I'm not putting nothing extra. I don't really wear blush like that to work, but for the video, you can wear blush if you want to. And if you did, my favorite, sorry, I'm getting like a little cold. My favorite that I wear is from MAC. It's called Raisin. So this is optional. Sometimes I wear blush, but rarely. And you can just brush it on your cheeks. I wear lashes. So I really don't do anything to my eyelashes. But if I did, I might put a little liner. So I just brush my lashes, because I get the individual lashes, which makes things a lot more easier. That's it. And I'll just maybe wear some Bliss sticks or some type of chapstick on my lip if I want to. If I want to wear lipstick or something, my favorite one I wear all the time is by Too Faced. It's called Melted. It's like a matte, melted matte. It's a liquid lipstick. It works so good. It literally stays on like damn near all day. If I want to, I'm not gonna lie, maybe close to a little bit, maybe like the 6th or 7th hour after I eat or something like that, then I need to put a little bit on. But if not, if I don't eat, it lasts the whole day. So if I'm going to wear that, all I do is put on some, I use this from Wet n Wild, just a regular eyebrow pencil in dark brown, and I just take it, line my lips. And I'll just put a little bit on, not a whole lot, because the color is kind of, but it does dry different. So when I put it on, don't be like, oh my gosh, it's going to dry a little bit darker. You see the way it looks right now, but looks a little crazy, but it will dry a little bit darker. It has to dry. And then I do always take a little bit more brown and put it around my lips a little bit more. That's it. That's my finished look. Wait, this is it. This is all I do. I know it may seem like it's a lot, but it really isn't. Just, you don't really need to do too much, just long as you have like a clean finish, like a clean surface where it looks clean. I just like the clean look. I do not like a beat face. Like maybe if I'm going somewhere I want to beat, I never contour and highlight. I just don't do it. It's beautiful on people, but I just don't do it. But this is it. This is all I do, and it looks like I did so much and I didn't do a damn thing. Okay, you guys, I do want to thank you again for checking out my makeup tutorial and coming to my channel and checking me out. I do really appreciate it. If you guys did find my video interesting and want to be a part of my YouTube family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, as well as hit the notification bell, just so you can be up to date on my videos and know when I post a video. Sorry, somebody's calling me. Again, I do want to thank you guys again for checking out my video. Peace out until next time. Bye.